Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily add items to your cart on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. Next up, make sure you are logged in with your AliExpress account. Once you are logged in, it's time to find the items that you want to add to your cart. So explore through the products that you might want to buy, or you can directly tap on the search bar and search for your preferred product. Once you find the product you like, tap on it to view the product description page. On the products page, you can see their pictures, their descriptions, their reviews. You can add this item to your cart. Here at the bottom of your screen, you can see Add to Cart button. Tap on it. You can choose the specifications of the item over here, like the color, size, quantity, and other options. So make sure to select the options that suits best for you. And once you have selected your preferred specifications, you can now tap on the Add to Cart button at the bottom. You'll see a confirmation message pop up that you have added to your cart. Now to view your cart, here you can see the cart option at the top right corner. Tap on it. Here you can see all the items you have added to your cart. You can adjust its quantities, you can remove items if needed, and when you are ready to purchase, you can tap on the checkout button to proceed. And that's it. That's how you can add items to your cart on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.